What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So today I've got my hands on the brand new AUTO-VOX X1. So this is a premium full HD car dash camera which is very easy to fit and also comes with a backup rear camera kit. So let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with a user manual and a cleaning cloth. Now over here we have your power adapter. It looks like a very long cable, and you've got a mini USB connection. So this comes with a GPS module. You also get a backup camera, a rear camera, and this long piece of cable here is the power for the backup camera. So all the instructions on how to fit this in are in the manual as well. Now you don't actually have to use this. This is optional. You don't actually have to use the rear camera if you don't want to. You can use this as a standalone car dash camera. So let's have a look at the dash cam itself. I'm just going to peel off the top layer. So regular mirror, and you can see my hand there. It's very clear. Now you do not need to worry about installation. Installation is very easy. So what you do is you attach this to your existing mirror, and then you just tie the elastic cable around it. So you just attach both of these elastics and you're good to go. So I just connected this dash camera to a power bank just so I can give you a demonstration. So what we're going to do is tap on the screen. It'll give you some options. So if we click on settings, so storage space, no SD card, LDWS is off. You can set it to miles per hour or kilometers per hour. I'm going to set it to miles. Turn driving mode on. You've got date and time, resolution 1080p, or you can go slightly higher, 1296p. Loop recording 1 minute, 2 minute or 3 minute. You've got a G sensor which is set on low, but you can make it off or high. Parking mode, sensitivity, volume. Let's turn the volume higher. You've got LCD brightness, auto. Sound record. So now it's going to record the sound as well. You've got languages, parking line, GPS info, about car DV, and you've got reset and setup. First of all, I am going to insert a memory card. So I'm just going to pop in a 16 GB memory card just to test this out with. You've got the camera over here, but the camera can be swiveled outwards. So over here you've got all your controls. The date and time is at the top. Now you can take a picture anytime you like by just tapping that. Okay, so if you wanted to switch cameras, you would press that middle button and that will switch to the rear camera. But obviously we haven't connected that yet. I'm going to stop recording and click on playback. So this is where you can play back all your videos. So if we just play one of these. Okay, so if you wanted to switch cameras, you press that. So what's amazing is how loud the speaker is. The quality of the video and everything actually looks really nice on there. So let's come back out of it. Now every time you come out, it's going to automatically start recording. You just tap it once. That's it, you've got your mirror back. What you're going to see on your mirror is the date time will always be there, which is cool. So the speed you're traveling will get detected and it will show you over here. Otherwise, it's a fully functional mirror working absolutely fine. And if you want to quickly see what you're recording or you want to access the LCD, just tap anywhere and it will appear again and you can see it's recording. Tap again and you can stop recording if you like by pressing the stop button. So this is very, very user friendly. Now I'm just going to attach this rear camera just to give you guys a rough idea of what to expect. So the power socket's already occupied, but you've got another port which says AV. That's where we're going to plug in the other camera. So this is not the rear camera, this is your main camera. If you tap again and click switch, so this is now your rear camera, as you can see. So right now what's happening is we're recording front camera and back camera at the same time. So if you had this installed at the back of your car, it would record both the front and the back of your car. So that gives you a full protection of your front and back of your vehicle. Now let's switch back to the main camera. So you just hit the switch button and we're back on the main camera where you can see my hand is in the way. Alright, so that was a very quick unboxing of the X1 AUTO-VOX. Let's get this all hooked up in my car and find out how good it really is. I'll be right back. So there you have it guys, that was the AUTO-VOX X1, a very nicely designed mirror car dash camera which is very easy to use and produces great quality video at 1080p. You have a complete backup camera kit included, and overall I have to say the quality of this product is very good. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.